Hi, I'm Wolfgang Korzendorf, and I'm one of the founders and the PI of the TARDIS project. There's multiple ways that NumFOCUS has supported TARDIS. One of the ones is definitely we have Slack, which really helps us communicate. We're a worldwide community by now, and we have students or researchers from India, Germany, Greece, China, America contributing to this project and working on exploding stories. One of the really cool things that NumFOCUS does, it gives us these small development grants, and we use Google Summer of Code to recruit and train students, and some of these students are outstanding and live in very different places around the world. It allows us to give these students a little bit of an extra time to continue working on their project, and I think this is one of the wonderful things. It is not only that we get to do more science with this and expand TARDIS in the science direction, we also get to grow the open science community worldwide.